Hi everyone, I'm now on Zipair and I'm surprised to find that there is a USB charger to charge my phone. Take a look at this. There is even a 3-pin plug. That's great. Okay, right now I'm loving Zipair. Zipair breakfast. Looks blue, but it's not blue. That's my katsu sandwich. This is the low-cost bus ticket and we are at bus stop number 7. You can see the leftover bits of sakura petals, flowers. Okay, say bus that's arriving. We are taking this bus to Tokyo Station. Heading to the bus. Yeah. I still see some bloom. Here's the room lake. How the room lakes looks like in the first row of the bus. It's quite roomy though. And that's my vitamin C. There's a charger port over here, and as well as the other side of the seat beside me. We arrive at Tokyo Station. That's Tokyo Station. It's Daimaru. Look at this queue. No, they are buying omiyage. First meal of the day at Tokyo Station. We're just hungry because we are waiting for our lunch table, which take about an hour. And we ordered this one, 200 gram at 1,300, which is $30 Sing dollar each. And then it comes with free flow of vegetables, rice, udon, miso soup, curry with rice, and dessert. And then you top up $120 yen, $1.20 Sing for soft drinks. But if you take ice water, it's free. Free flow of vegetable. Best tofu in Japan. So good. I love their tofu so much. It's the train from Ginza, Hibiya line. We are heading to Kamiyakocho. Exit 5 Azabudai Hills. It's the exit 5. Can I exit here? This is the JP Mori Tower. It's tall. It's beautiful here. We're going up the 33rd floor. It's a skyline view. Okay, today is the last day they open to public. By tomorrow, it can only access by the lounge members. Beautiful. Beautiful. The Tokyo Tower. This space is super nice. Trying some dashi stock. This tastes good. This is the vegetable dashi. This is good. We are so glutton. We bought this for our supper later on. This is one of the famous bakery here in Azabudai. It's a must try. Having Harbs, and I'm gonna order mini crepes and berry cake. Here comes my milk tea. Looks good, right? While waiting for our cakes, and we're gonna have this milk tea. Cheers. This is berry. Looks good, eh? And then this is the mini crepes. The popular mini crepes, which I've been wanting to try. And then now I get the chance. Nice. Just eat. This is so pretty. Wow. It's actually a cookie shop. Super pretty. So pretty. Look at all the heart shape. It's pretty. Macaron. So pretty. Wow. So cool, right? Uniqlo Flagship Store in Ginza. Nice. They have my size here. In Singapore, this is labeled as S, and it's not even 36, it's size 37. Over here in Japan, it's labeled as 23.0S, and this is the actual size 36. In Singapore, they're selling size 37, which I have to return back to them. So I'm gonna grab this here. The only thing I'll buy. I like this part of Uniqlo. This is so cool, so pretty. Now I walk to the glass, and then opposite me, opposite Uniqlo is Ginza 6. Going to do unboxing of what we got. See the packaging. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, this is so beautiful. It's like, see, it's a Doraemon bell. Looks familiar. Cute. This is the entire thing that we selected. This is the red bean and the bells. Okay, let's try it. Do you want to take this one first or the bell?
Take this one.
This one? Okay. This looks good. Let's try if it's nice.
Okay.
Try and let me know the verdict. I take the bell. I try the bell. This is the bell. Yeah, no. I shall not play with food. I shall eat it. It's nice.
It's nice. Very nice.
Bell. Red bean. This is azuki. Is it azuki bean?
Yeah.
It is very nice. No wonder this shop has a lot of customers queuing just to pack this home. Good. This is nice. And this is our supper. Let's try. Oh, is this rice or sago?
Mochi.
I don't know what it is, but
Mochi.
it looks like sago to me. It's like some rice cake, but it is very yummy because of the azuki bean. But it's good. You guys can go and get it. The shop name is Suzu Kake. Suzu Kake
Where?
at Azabudai Hills. Go there and get it. Anyway,
It's a beautiful place. Please explore. So folks, good night. Good night. You're gonna have an early night, and tomorrow you're heading somewhere. Bye bye.